So this is our main code. We have two codes, main.py and pred.py that you can see in the system. So first of all, we are importing few libraries like Tkinter, CV2, Pillow, Tkinter, TensorFlow. We are using TensorFlow to load our model. Then we are importing CV2, Pandas, Matplotlib, and NumPy. The main thing of main.py, main purpose of main.py is we are creating a GUI file. Uh, we are creating a GUI for our user that looks like this, where I can simply browse any image. So suppose this is the image that I am selecting. I can predict any disease in this. So it is showing that it is saying that predicted output for given is glucotamous and the stage is 4 and the CDR value is this much. So what we are doing here is by clicking on about, you can see the about function. So what we are doing here is earlier in the last meeting, we have discussed about segmenting the CDR, segmenting the optic cup and optic disc. So in this pred.py, I have just saved that model from our training file, and in this pred.py, I am just loading that file, loading that saved model, and then applying my formula for calculating CDR to calculate the CDR value. And once we have the CDR value, I am differentiating that on the basis of levels or on the basis of stages, and then simply showing my CDR value. And if the CDR value is greater than 5.0, then it is glucotamous as mentioned by as mentioned by all the resources that I have checked online. So yeah, this is mainly it. If you have any doubt regarding the code, you can simply text me.
You can comment down in the comment section if you are in doubt. And this is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.